Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So I've got a pan on a medium-high heat and I'm just going to get some frozen onion in, or you could use fresh onion. If you're using frozen onion, you don't need to worry about oil because it's not going to stick. So I'm just going to cook that for a few minutes. So when the onion's soft, we just want to get the meat in. So any ground or minced meat is fine. I'm using some minced pork, but beef or chicken, turkey is all good. And we just want to brown that. Okay, so when the meat is no longer pink and it's starting to brown, we're going to get in lemon juice. So half a cup and half a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm just going to let that simmer for 5 minutes or so. So when the lemon's reduced a bit, but you still want it a little bit saucy, I'm just going to get that off the heat. And then I'm going to finish it with a tablespoon. I'm using double cream, so if you're using just regular cream, you probably want to go 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to stir that in. The cream is really nice to balance out the acidity from the lemon. So have a taste, and you might like more cream than that. Just want to stir that through, and then I'm going to serve on a bed of baby spinach, yum, with parmesan grated over.